To be frank and honest, Gwede Mantashe installed the president of the ANC in 2007, Polokwane. Gwede Mantashe installed the comeback of Jacob Zuma in 2012, Mangaung. You'd remember that Zuma Ndash slogan.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gwede Mantashe installed Cyril Ramaphosa. I remember Gwede Mantashe was in the Northern Cape campaigning. I was covering Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma in Kokstad. If I'm not mistaken, it was Kokstad, where she was campaigning there. Gwede Mantashe, after he left addressing the Northern Cape, I won't reveal my sources, but he told someone that I'm going to fetch David Mabuza now.
Wow.
That was 2 weeks or 3 weeks before the conference of the ANC. He drove to Barberton, to David Mabuza on that day. I was in Kokstad. My sources told me he's driving straight to Barberton. Went with one driver, left all the others. Went with one driver himself to speak to David Mabuza. Installed Cyril Ramaphosa as the president of the ANC.
So he was the one who was able to shift Mabuza over.
Him and Robert Kumete, ultimately, and some other individuals in the ANC, like also Stan Chupu Matabat. But ultimately, Mantashe as well was an important figure going towards the last conference of the ANC, because many people had voted him out. Had said, no, Mantashe is done, Stan Matabata is winning.
Yeah, it was
I remember speaking to him and he said, this is not a provincial campaign this time around. This is a regional campaign. The regions that he was supposedly not having the support of in KwaZulu-Natal, he was engaging some of them behind closed doors. I remember a week or two before that conference, he called one particular region that was synonymous to be supporting Dr. Zwelini Mkhize, had them all under one roof, all phones taken away. He addressed them as Gwede Mantashe. Those are the people who were able to peep Mantashe ahead of Stan Matabata.
Yeah.
Albeit the mistake Matabata made of addressing the caucus of Dr. Zwelini Mkhize in the conference where Paul Mashatile was asked to come, and he refused, by the way. But Stan went to address it. And that's where the likes of Pule Shai, Matibe of Limpopo, of Vembe region, John Mpe of Peter Mokaba region were able to now take over, led by Ruben Madaji, the provincial secretary of Limpopo, in order to have Cyril Ramaphosa's perceived home province genetically of Limpopo coming out to vote for him. And that was all the work of Enoch Godongwane, who is an ally of Gwede Mantashe, in getting the regions of Limpopo to say, as much as we love Stan, some of you will vote for him, but we just need these numbers in order for Mantashe to come through as the national chair of the ANC. And this time around, Mantashe always says to me, I don't want power. I want to influence power. So he will want to influence who becomes the president of the ANC.
Interesting. Because I might have thought this might have been his time to actually emerge into the presidency. So he's not interested in that.
From the discussions I've had with him, he's not interested. But his comment is always, Samkelo, I want to influence power. I've influenced power from Polokwane.
Yeah.
Mangaung, Nasrec 1, Nasrec 2.
Nasrec 2. And before Nasrec 2 is instrumental to getting the president back, even stepping away from resigning and all of that.
It was ultimately him who rounded up all the provincial chairs whom were aligned to Ramaphosa at the time to convince him to say, don't go, we will fight this. I remember I did an interview with him before that NEC meeting where the Section 89 report was tabled.
Right.
And the previous night, he had a long discussion with the president. And he told me in that interview, point blank, the president is going nowhere. So Mantashe has influenced South African politics.
Absolutely.
Or ANC politics. Going towards the 2002 conference of the ANC. What happened at the NTC in 2005. And ultimately, the clean sweep from 2007. So he's arguably been the most powerful political figure in the ANC for over 2 decades.